If you're dealing with gynecology and a lady comes to you having an inflammation in her lower abdomen, it can be PID, it can be even a chronic inflammation disease such as endometriosis. What are our options as acupuncturists for dealing with this situation? So in Master Dang's acupuncture, we really need to focus and diagnose. I cannot say that I have one specific point for this condition. Sometimes the pathology is of a liver qi stagnation. Sometimes we have liver blood stasis, and sometimes we have damp heat. But we can also have deficiency conditions. So when we speak about treatment, we really need to focus on diagnosis. So I would suggest several options. For example, if you're dealing with a woman with a PID or a very acute pain in the lower jiao, consider to look the tongue. It will tell you a lot. For example, if the tongue is purple and the veins on the lower aspect of the tongue are wide and purple, we understand that we're dealing with blood stasis. Master Dang acupuncture has a very efficient point, Mu Fu, 6602 acupuncture points, which is on the second toe, is very efficient in my opinion in these blood stasis condition. Mu Fu is wood and woman or a wife. Wood is to mention that this point treats and clear stagnation or a stasis condition for women. So Mu Fu is an option that I can add, for example, Huan Chao, which is a specific point on the fourth finger, which is the liver finger. So Mu Fu with Huan Chao will clear congestion of blood stasis in the lower jiao. This is one example. A second example, if the lady also has a kidney qi deficiency, is it wise to use Mu Fu and Huan Chao? So no, we will need to add to this condition points that will support the kidney. For example, the three emperors is an option. If the spleen or stomach, the earth is deficient, we can think about the Si Hua Shang acupuncture point. So we really need to attune the treatment to our patient. Another situation is damp heat in the lower jiao. For this condition, remember Jie Mei, 3 sisters, which are located on the thigh. I have a video on these points that I will link for that. The 3 sisters are very common points in my practice. Why? When do I choose them? So the points reaction area or the shenjing area is the uterus and the 6 fu. When you see a 6 fu shenjing, you understand that it treats also the bowels, it treats the hollow organs inside the lower abdomen. And sometimes we have damp heat, for example, damp heat in the intestine. So Jie Mei acupuncture points really drain dampness. They move qi and blood in the lower jiao, and I use them for excessive aspect let's say, qi stagnation, blood stagnation, dampness in the lower jiao, when I want to drain the area. That is why Master Dang's indication for the three sisters are fibroids, for example, any tumors in the lower jiao, meaning that they treat congestion. So of course, I can also use them in deficiency aspects, but I will need to add other points. But remember, their nature is to drain the lower jiao. If I have another option of inflammation, let's say with pain around stomach 28 area. So now I will tell you a secret, a very good clinical option to reduce pain in the ovary area. If the pain is in this stomach 28 area, you need to go and look for liver 4, kidney 7, spleen 9, and needle them towards this pelvis area. When we treat them and puncture them upwards about 30 degrees towards this area, this is a metal and water treatment that will reduce the pain around stomach 28. This is also common in pelvic inflammation, in endometriosis, and I assure you that you will get good results. So you have several options according to the diagnosis, whether it's qi stagnation, a blood stagnation, damp heat stagnation, or even a qi deficiency condition that you can add to your clinical tools. And remember, even if I say examples like that, maybe this is relevant or not to your patient. So remember to diagnose correctly and try to focus on the pulse, on the tongue, on palpation in order to understand your patient. This will help you to choose the correct point combination for your patient. If you're looking for more information about gynecology, women's health, and acupuncture, subscribe to this channel.